In this video, we'll take a look at the discriminant and what it tells us about the zeros of a quadratic equation. When we solve a quadratic equation using the quadratic formula, which is x equals negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a, what we notice is that what we have underneath this square root, which we call the discriminant, will tell us how many and what kind of solutions we're going to have. So if we look at b squared minus 4ac, and it is a positive number, for example, negative 3 plus or minus square root of 7 over 2. So this is a positive value. Then we're going to have two real solutions, or zeros. And graphically, that means that our quadratic is going to cross the x-axis twice. If what's underneath our radical, b squared minus 4ac, is negative, an example of that might be negative 3 plus or minus the square root of negative 5 over 4. Well, what we do is we take this negative outside of the radical as an I. So I root 5 over 4. So if that number is negative, we know we're going to have two imaginary solutions. Now, because they're not real, they're not going to cross the axis. So we're going to have a parabola that does not cross the x-axis. It could open up or open down. Lastly, if we have a discriminant that turns out to be 0, in this case, negative 3 plus or minus 0 is just negative 3 over 6, or negative 1/2. So in that case, we get one real solution, and it means that it is going to cross the axis at just one place, and that one place is going to be the vertex.